Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADAP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, including the final 30 minutes. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes on the day, which you can see down here. Huge volume to close out, I guess, now that I think about it, not only the day, but to close out the week right there. Huge volume, and then had a nice solid green candle going into the weekend. So very nice way. You couldn't really draw up a better close on the price. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be there at $8.65. Now, don't get me wrong. If $8.65 fails, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can maintain above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power in the bull's favor. Next level of support after that, down there at $8.20. So $8.65, $8.20, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back though and looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's just saying, look, Clay, I care about the big picture, and I just want a very simplistic way to gauge the health or lack thereof of the current price movement, then use that purple line. And the easy way to look at that is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards price movement is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to go to another time frame, because the price has not been up this high for a very long time. So this is a good problem to have. So looking here, like I said, I know it's hard to see, but this is a good problem because the price has not been up this high. So $8.90 is that current level of resistance, and you can see that was a high from back here many months ago. So that'll be the initial level, and that's essentially right where the price stopped moving up today. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. And then next area after that, right up here around, we'll call it the $9.35 mark. At the end of the day, though, don't get me wrong, yeah, resistance levels are important, but as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to building these higher bases, then the long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So great way to close out the week. We'll see how much further the bulls can take it next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.